Hey everyone, and welcome back. In today's video we will be going through the different types of hair extensions. I know how hard it can be for people to actually know what each type of hair extension is and which one is more suitable for their hair. So these ones we'll go through, we'll give a better explanation as the types of hair extensions that they are, and then we'll also go on to explain which ones are suitable for what types of hair. So you know guys, this information you just can't find it out there, but don't worry, I'm here to bridge that gap and make sure you are fully clued up. Alright guys, so this is one of your most traditional methods, the one that's been around the longest. It's your weft, and what this is a long narrow strip of hair which can actually be sewn or glued to your own natural hair. It should be done horizontally, but the wefts can be cut. I know with some of the other more advanced methods you can't cut them, but with this one you're free to actually do that. It is quite weighty, so I would say if you've got finer hair I would avoid weft and go for maybe something like a hand-tied weft, but with this one I would say it's more recommended for medium to thick hair. Alright, and these ones are your clip-in hair extensions. So this is just like a weft, but then it has clips that are added to each bit. So you have different lengths. So you'll have this particular piece has 4 clips attached to it, and then you'll have one that has 3, 2, 1, etc. There are actually different formulations, so you can generally have them customized to suit your needs. These ones, they are literally just a go-to if you want to just enjoy a night out and have length, and then you can come home and simply take them out. Alright guys, these are your tape extensions. And normally on a 50-gram pack you would get 20 tapes, and they are pairs, so it will be 10 pairs, 20 individuals. And the method with this one is that your own hair is sandwiched in between the 2 tapes. So each tape tab has a sticky adhesive which is safe for your hair, and then it has the hair strands attached, and then you simply part your hair and you sandwich your hair in between. This is really good actually for any type of hair. Then again, if you've got really thick hair you may struggle a bit, because when you actually attach the hair there are only a certain amount of hair strands that can comfortably fit in between the tapes. So if it's too thick it wouldn't stay in very well. And equally, if you've got very fine hair you may not have enough strands. So it's just really making sure that you have an adequate balance to make sure that your hair sits well in between the tapes. Alright, these next ones are eye tips, and what you have are hair strands that are connected to a tip. It's like in the shape of an eye, that's why we call it eye tips, and it's just bonded and holds really nicely. You can generally wash your hair with these in. The advantage of this is that it actually allows you to have great versatility with the hairstyles, because you can have them up, you can have them down, you can have half up, half down, and the flexibility for you is great. I would recommend, again, if you're using these type of extensions, I would say medium to thick hair, but also making sure that your hair strands are healthy. That's the most important thing. Alright, this next one is the hand-tied weft, and as you can see I'm actually holding it by 2 strings at either end. So with the hand-tied weft, it's typically hand-tied bits of hair strands that are put together on this long thin strip. This actually cannot be cut, so if you try to cut this it will just shed and the whole extension would be ruined. This is great for fine hair because it's very lightweight, and again it can create a very seamless look without having to put too much tension on your scalp. This next one is bulk hair, and what it is that with this one you can actually create what you want to create with it. Is basically how it goes. So as you can see from the video, there's no method attached to this hair, so you can put this onto lace to make a wig, you could use it to create baby hairs, you could use this to actually create your own eye tips, you could use it as extensions as well. All of the traditional methods that I mentioned, with the bulk hair you can actually create them yourself. Alright, and this one is your flat weft, which is an advancement basically to your traditional weft. So with this one you'll find that the weft itself is a lot flatter, and it allows you to have a lot more of a seamless look, and it gives you a little bit more flexibility as well. It is quite weighty, but I wouldn't say it's as weighty as traditional weft. So with this one you could go for medium type hair, but also it'd be great for thick hair. It's really just about adding the length and the volume. If you've got finer hair, I would say just be more careful, but again, your specialist would be the one that would give you advice as to whether this would be suitable for you. Also, again, with the flat weft, it's roughly 100 grams, will be about 45 centimeters, but they do come in various widths and lengths. Alright guys, thanks for staying tuned. I hope you have found some valuable information in what I've shared with you, just making it a little bit easier for you to make those choices that you need to enjoy your hair experience. So until the next video, we ask that you like, subscribe and share this video with anybody who you feel will benefit from the information that was shared in today's video. Alright, see you next time guys. Take care. Bye bye.